a very bad boy, I know holy. Anytime I step into the place, I guarantee to set it ablaze. I know ever look at your face. I say, Edo boy, I the craze. Obi, chocolobi, obi. I know they ever dwell on past glory. Every time I come, I new story. They always try make
Yes, so now welcome back on top of the late night show. Don't forget to now we the part of the canoe of this show from 10 o'clock until 11 p.m. Yes, now that one be for you to know, say, anytime when your clock don't at 10, bam. Yes, sharply, you won't go where your TV, they turn the dial. You know now, start time, channel 195, now there with you on top Wazobia TV. Now the levels, but don't forget you on top of you, they battle the show. You feel sharply follow us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Now we break it for there. Yes. You won't like us, Wazobia TV NG. Yes, Instagram self, Wazobia TV NG. And don't forget, say, before we go on top that break, we don't advertise one person. Say, this person, a person where they come inside the house today to celebrate with my guy, my goons, my swaggo, my very personal Obi Martins. Foul Peking. Araban be one of the late night show.
You know, complete that Foul Peking. You get plan. Complete. I don't spoil my name. Super Eagles try. I don't go Nations Cup.
Okay, already. People will write one or two things on top Twitter. Don't say skimpy today. Make sure say you know give Obi Martins trouble.
Give me now. What the hell is this one for? I go just cover you like this. No.
My own Obi Martins. Yes, so fine boy looking
hey,
sexy. Fine boy, no pimples.
Hey,
I like your swags and I love your dimples.
Make I do like, you know, they say if leave don't take for soup, you go talk to soup, say.
Oh.
Maybe now they copy my style, say, because
I believe you.
Somebody's copying my style on our set. Yes.
Okay, now we don't bring the man. Why not see all of on the way they are there? On a go one say, on a go one know who Obi Martin they talk about. Saying that the person make and day here today.
Now so.
I won't be lying. Now comfamento this man. Anytime we meet self, yeah, I they doff my cap give him because in a bros yeah. Yes, I they talk about the one and only your Naija.
Hey. You know talk about his skimpy. You see this person, this my Oga so he speak pidgin English, go like Olympic touch. I say me, I died there. I died there. Pidgin, I died. This one, I'll carry candle yourself. He speak pidgin, go like Olympic touch. He speak pidgin, he become ambassador of one of the telecommunication. He speak pidgin.
No, you know what? You know even if you count in biography for here because them plenty. How many you want mention for things we break?
Because say where I show myself. Make I show myself. Because if you don't show yourself,
your feels don't burn.
I'm telling you. So because we had a day when they send me tests, when they come on me for that dungeon, for if not by now, I for even the.
You for the pig bowler, yes. You for the pig bowler.
I'm for the Yankee.
So, boss, welcome on top of the late night show. Yes.
I go to the food your leg tomorrow. I might set it. I agree to respect yourself and know your age. Because I won't go light Olympic touch.
You go light Then get to Olympic for juggling. Where then they do AJ own. Then they call everybody who don't grow come up for AJ, make them come back. Reunion. Everybody they come back. So you go padu. Now you go there for front. Touch not touch. And they even know say we no kuku get light. So touch not touch. So you go light touch. Not be Olympic touch. I don't even give you that one when I get. In the house now. I give you.
No be you talk. You talk at the bed. Now you laugh. No laugh me. I go strangle you. I will finger your eye now.
Now your man to pray the prayer for you now. Are you supposed to claim him?
You start where you go claim the amen. Say if you get
can't do. Light na light oh. Or be light one no.
Better light one. Birthday boy.
Boss.
So how you go be? This is the way they do birthday, nothing. And I know they give person.
No, don't be here. We don't show ourselves for here.
Okay.
We don't show ourselves for here, bros.
Okay.
Bro, just say promise me so many things.
What's the promise?
You don't send me come up for country. Now I remember the motto you want to give me now. We'll put out for blog.
You go put out for blog. I be like people where they write, give people things, write for blog.
Just snap. Carry me, just put for one car. Snap picture.
Yeah, no. That will not be difficult thing, now.
Then I'll carry the car key on.
And you carry the car key on.
Yes.
But so far say the car still there. I go hold spare key. Spare key in my hand.
Bros, I'll put it for national TV now. Bros,
yes, I go popular. Oh, thank you, Bio, for giving me this opportunity to popular. Thank you.
Because it's not popular thing your own, it don't master you. No be today thing you not see they go.
Obi want make me star.
I don't know why they put your man for husband and wife matter.
Yeah, you well? I be like that guy we get dada.
No, what you did?
I be like the other
You
way.
don't give me peck before. Tell me, talk about. You don't give me peck before. Talk.
Yeah, me and you. I beg they know themselves. And they go just the vex now. Say, so he's one of us. And it's not even.
You say, God, I say, person, they send you text.
You
get hips,
One guy sent me text. Let us meet at. He called the name of the hotel for Naija. Say, make we meet there. Say, now another person give her my number.
Yes, sir. Ambrose call me.
Now say, he can ask me. He talk one thing. He say, which do you do? I do TB.
Yes.
Which do you
tuberculosis
do?
or what?
I couldn't think, say whether not tuberculosis. Waiting with this TB. Nah, I be like, say, the person will come decode the thing. He be like, say, not one of them where they hide. Come time, he say, no, there's nothing there. It just means top or bottom. I say, yeah? They look me finish like this. Yeah? No. I need
but
to be
because I
extra
know
careful.
calculate the person, you know, say you your backside you know, be like, man, no. You get the way when you dey waka sometimes, and they see you from afar.
Okay,
you dey
waka now.
dangle. Bros, waka for this
Yes, you want waka now, bros.
Waka.
Waka, when they see you. Yes. If you don't waka, I'm saying one of them. Yes. Bros, after you show, I'll run. But now I never pass you. Bros, waka. If you are not, yes. Yes. Like at work. Do style. This time, bros. Do style.
No,
Do
make
style. Go for
bros
go.
do 360.
Yes. If you know that you are one of them. Hey!
See him. Wait. When I see anything, see him.
Because you sure say you don't want to egg.
No, twerk.
Okay, twerk. Hey! Oh! Did I go? Twerk.
You see, say nothing. Nothing is appealing there. Nothing is appealing there.
Oh, finally, now go forgive her now.
Yeah, so
Now
that's how we do it for the late night show.
No, honestly.
No dull moment. Now my master, now my organ, my brother, now my uncle, now my everything. You know, you get what I wear our first. Somebody say our first lady now. Jesus Christ for earth. In my own Jesus Christ for earth.
I beg.
So we don't put her for. We don't even go the.
We never enter that level.
We
never enter.
Don't worry yourself. We get the people's parliament. Yes, where we go swear you in. You understand? No, they rush. Don't let me vex with us. Now my house today. Now my house. Yes. And my power now. Today my birthday. So anything I want you to do it for me. But you got your check, come have you?
I can. I think give you. Anybody go say, give me blank check. Give me blank check. I think give anybody blank check. I didn't tell you true.
You sign them.
Now I go sign give you blank.
Okay.
Fill any money. But it go shock you say you go reach bank. Because you know, so when you open an account, they go ask you how much before you withdraw, you need to give us call before they withdraw.
No, I go off your phone.
Even better. Offer. Because 1,000 where you go withdraw, bank go call me.
Bros, if 50% 1,000 check.
I fit. I get person, you don't know the guy where they go withdraw 500 from ATM.
Oh!
Shebi, you know. If they go withdraw 500 from
And a big
ATM.
person.
He dey pinch the money.
I know the lie. He go tell you, say, he won't take ice cream. He go come meet you. I beg you, 500 there. You go say, I no get or something. He go say, okay, I dey come. You come run, go ATM. Go withdraw 500
Only.
And they lie. Meanwhile, you don't hold any other money. You don't hold any other money. You just withdraw 500. Then you go buy ice cream. Leak. When you finish,
You go with
then if you want come out, you fuel low. You can't go withdraw 500
Again.
I tell you true.
Why not just take like 5K once?
Yeah?
Now big money.
You won't make the money finish. This person where they tell you, get money. You know what they talk about.
Bros.
500.
I get interested and I go tell me after the show.
Maybe you'll
no
be-
put on top
no.
national TV.
No, I don't tell you, I beg you.
Okay.
They talk.
Okay, make it for no last, make it for no cause quarrel. Oh, yes, maybe we sharply enter the first level on top the late night show. And that one na Coco of the day. Yes, I like the fact say for this first topic where I want shook mouth to talk about bros, you dey on seat. Because everybody knows say inside Obodo Naija, you now one of the person will be say pidgin English, you dey take and drink Gary, you dey take and do anything. So I don't know whether you don't hear this one about Two-Face Idibia. Now when you come outside, talk say, it go better make pidgin English, make them begin take and they teach students for
course.
inside school.
Of
Make
course.
them for know the language well. What do you think about this thing when you talk?
No, na good thing it be for me. For me, yeah. Make them do them like that. Because like play. Everywhere where you go see people, the first way they go first talk to themselves, na guy alpha. When they first talk that guy how far, before they come the flow, they speak other things. If you know be pidgin English, you know say pidgin English, if you also call them broken English.
Okay.
Now when you want talk, fella talk and say for you to fit talk to the mass people, for you to fit talk to people with plenty, people who no go school, who no do this thing, you need to break them down for them. At least break them down to broken English level. And if they speak broken English, now be pidgin English.
Okay.
Yes, some things still there where we still need to learn the lingua, all of them, the vowels and all of them, where you need to learn so that the thing will flow well. But for me, if you want to address anybody, you need to just speak them for the language of the people.
And communication.
Yes, so that then go fit understand what you they talk. Then go fit understand. Take for example, waiting be even our president during one of these they are waka when they do so when they waka reach, be like saying Port Harcourt or Edo State. I don't know if you remember. Now broken the guy see it throughout. Broken the kind of hailings then where the guy gets.
Someone made them understand.
If you want to talk to them for language. Fella they pass your message for pidgin. Not saying no go school. Not saying no sabi speak English. Two-Face fit talk because he no finish school. That's why he talking on. He talk and sing for a song. Just because those here no finish school. Maybe you know because he no finish school. Okay. But some people will finish school.
People will finish school and people will stay for that class.
Everybody.
They listen to Two-Face.
Yes, no. And Two-Face level self even high.
Cut across.
When he begins speaking English yourself, you go fear. So all of them, I think for me.
Okay, say
make
it
them
makes
begin
sense.
teach. Yes.
Okay, good. As you say, make them begin teach. Now make ask you this very personal one. If them begin sign them in, say okay, yes, we want begin teach pidgin English for school. Then come call you say oh guy yo, as you na person we sabi, we want you as pidgin English teacher. You go take the offer.
You know, if it's not making money, it's not making sense, my dear. If the Malachi way they there follow, Malachi, accounts just they be pa.
But they win now.
My dear, I go take them. And it also depends on where. Because everything way they do for life, not be just about money really. You also look, say, okay, waiting at the gain, waiting be the extra benefits then we follow. All those other things that we follow, things that we be say, how the thing want to project me? For better light. When CNN interview me, when then they talk, yes, because I do pidgin for radio, CNN hear about then come, interview me, BBC do their own. Yeah, so now those kind of things, then now you go to look out for. If to say, where you go carry you reach at the end, now you be the popori. You go fit impact to people, why not?
Okay, on top of this pidgin thing now where you do, you talk and say, BBC come, they interview you, CNN come, they interview you. Okay, now, no verse for this one, I want to ask you, because say, now top TV, I want to ask you. You're picking for us, you they follow us speak pidgin English.
That one, now when they picking, then they go speak pidgin. When time reach for them to speak pidgin. Because, make I tell you, for me to grow up, I don't speak pidgin. Growing up. I grew up for Lawansin. And at Yoruba, those days, not be now where Igbo people don't fool Lawansin, that Lawansin road. Not be now where Igbo people don't fool there. I grew up for one place when I call near Zamba. Now one bank dead there now. Near Zamba. Okay? Now that place them bomb me, now that place I grew up. And now Yoruba I grew up, they speak. Strictly Yoruba. So, but now later, when I come begin, they speak pidgin. And then, I know even they speak Igbo. Now later, when I begin to work with BBC, when I come need to they speak Igbo, because then they give me Igbo scripts, make I work on. And I know even Sabi, so I no get option than to learn. So when time reach, there's time for everything. Even for you to learn the pidgin. When
Malachi they involved.
My brother, if it's not making money, it's not making sense. If money day, you go speak them.
Before?
Yes. If
you also safe.
My brother.
I can speak it like this.
Like this. I they speak French. You they speak French?
No.
Qu'est-ce qu'on a fait?
Est-ce que tu n'as mais?
Allez-vous.
Vous là-bas.
M'konye vrobru.
Oh, vous.
Now you say you know they speak French.
I know just one way you know Sabi. I say when you give me the test.
You tear.
Because I don't speak.
You tear.
La passé la maison. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.
Yes. Anyway, Bella face 9 before levels with that one. Okay, sharp. Maybe we enter the next level of the day. And the next level where they on top of my table now, I don't know, bros, whether you don't hear about say then they find online hackers. They can't even put and say online hackers for hire. If you know say you feel hacking to person system, yes, you feel enter person phone, you feel do anything. Just hack into something, say then go begin pay you money. And you know say before we they talk say this thing a big crime. Say if you hack into person computer or something,
Yeah,
yes,
privacy
you
when
fit go
you
jail.
yes,
Shey you know. So now, why dem come dey bring am as advert? They talk say yes, if you know say you fit do am, come outside, come talk say you sabi do am. Shey you get, we go pay you money.
You know, say you get one proverb where then they always talk. They say money where you give, fish where you give cats make it keep for you know they chop them. You go keep them well. Make I give you a typical example. If you get big concerts where you won't do, if I get concerts, then when I won't do. Normally, waiting that they do when I get concerts. All those boys them for venue. A hotel, moose on those days, and a hotel. Now them you go employ me, they come they watch motor for you. When then they watch them, now then go if you watch them well.
Yes, sir.
Nothing will happen to those motor. That one are one. And then they also know the people them, their fellow colleague. Waiting for the same clique.
When they know who go do.
Yes. You never see it. One time something happened for a hotel. You get one of those guys then for a hotel when I always dash money. Yeah. I always give them money. The guy come. They can't steal one of my sister. They're collecting phone, cutting chain. Now I just call that guy. Say, yeah. Then move one of my sister chain, collecting phone. He say, eh. He say, Emma Shiwala. Emma Shi, momento shisheng.
Not be lying.
Not be lie. As they cut her chain, now 3 pendants they there. He say, Emma worry, momento shisheng. Emma worry. Eh, niwala. He can't call. You know, say later the guy call me. No, he can't say make I call the guy later. I can't call the guy. The guy can't say, okay, saying go bring him, make a no vex. I can't say, you know who you talk to? He say, nah, yo. The guy go, yo. Ah. Oh, man motivates me, go. Si ba gwelo judgment, man ni believe que mama make here. Ah, go, yo.
Don't be lying.
Hey. Mama make your life. I can't say, oh, man make here. Now you dey teach people things. He can't keep quiet. Say, hey, maybe not from there, he go meet person who go help him. Say from tiffin things, he go meet person who go help him. But now what did the guy tell me? Okay? Now, normally what you go do now, you go put those kind of people in charge of certain things. Yes. They know their fellow people. So people where they find hackers, they know what and they find. Now for those people, because you will employ hacker, the hacker no pass you, will get the things. So now those things then you won't come PM for.
I ain't go
make
protect
it, yes, you go feel protect them. You don't go hack into those kind of things then.
But you know why they put out, this is going to be news. The man saying they find hacker, we go hack into in landlord website. Because he want to know what in landlord they do.
He ain't going nowhere. He ain't going nowhere.
Skip it, don't finish the story. The guy said the family go hack in landlord website. So like landlord, you want to know what in landlord they do. What's it concern?
No, Igbo.
Yeah, now.
Leave them matter. You know, so Igbo people plenty.
Okay,
here,
what
so
of the woman we pay say she say she ready to pay, made them hack into her guy phone just for her to know whether they cheat or not. What of that one?
Yeah, no, don't get sense now. And she can't no finish, she can't cry. Now, what's in the time for woman matter? Or Igbo woman for that matter? Their own nine was. You go they won't make them tell you. You go one see. Finally, when you can't see, you go can't cry.
And nobody say she go pack
No.
come off for house.
You can't cry. You know what you know?
Bro, she don't talk about it. They will leave
Matter for
matter.
Matthias,
So
yes,
they matter
yes.
because Igbo people they work for.
No, Igbo
You understand? All right, so make nobody say we talk too much for night show because people will still go sleep. And bros, as bros this so, you go night, you go VG. It depends on the VG you want go. So at this point, don't forget that the late night show on top channel 195 for Wazobia TV on top starters, are you?
Yes.
For no be start times. You dey ask him.
Bros.
You know, go do rum. You know, so can you go bon. No vex. I don't know what to be nyonyo for English. Get some kind Igbo way go here. You know go fit interpreter. If you interpret for English, you know the sweet.
What's the bros? Tell me for Igbo, be say, man, you just need to carry yourself when you're saying this kind of thing. You just need to, you know, and tell me that today my birthday, make I not do mistake. That's what mean by that. Okay. All right, at this point, Skippy.
Yes. At this point, on I go follow us accept say the person where we bring come on top the show this night na person where sabi.
So.
Yes, na sabi man. Anyway, we leave and make him breathe small, make him swallow saliva small. May we buy the shikily break with this video of the day where we go through, we put on top your TV. When we come back, we go pick him from where we stop. Make sure say when we there, you see there no waka go anywhere. The late night show. Obi Martin Skimpy and Ed Bonyo with the come back aya.
Una know they give person something drinking.
No, I don't want to give you. My plan, I don't want to give you.
All these things na decoration.
I don't want to give you.
Okay, una go return am to who get am. Na rent.
I spend my money every day on top woman. I no care if she walk away to another man. I am ready to be your mugu, your persona maga for life. See what I mean? Down, Naija ninja. It is a naturally something. When I feel you do this something. How are you?
Thank you.
So, where are you going to?
Anywhere.
Anywhere?
Anywhere.
Okay, if I get like you. Okay, close the door, close the door.
Getty! My sisters, they're just down there.
Yo.
Getty! They're coming.
Where?
They're coming. They're just down there.
Down where?
In fact, had it been that you didn't stop, it's this broom that would have used to just fly around.
This room.
Getty!
Wait, you're
Climbing up, they're coming.
Getty! This room.
Okay, hold on. Okay, wait now! Okay! Okay, wait!
I think you go shop the finger touch, cause I want to see the finger touch. Oh, finger touch. We just dance the finger touch.
Okay, you are running. Oh, yeah, go inside. We are there. Nkechi. She's cooking soup in the kitchen. Oh, enter. Go inside.
I'm not hungry.
You will eat. If you like, follow.
Chai!
Only you waka come.
Is it that day? See, that day when this happened, so I should say that day. I said my follow him. He said no. Because in Keshi.
You can't get plan.
Because in Keshi, can't carry Keshi. In Keshi, call in Keshi. You know, in Keshi, we thank God for your life, bros.
We thank God.
Thank God for your life.
First we sit down there, you don't know whether she be one of the Nkechi.
No,
You know,
no.
say they don't pursue people for bad
No.
beach. So then they roam about now. They don't get a house again. So you don't even know whether she is one of them.
All right, oh, we don't watch
Yes,
Nkechi's
yes.
skit. Your band this skit, we
Bros,
Oga,
direct.
some bros.
Yes, yes.
Bros no dey sweet. Bros yo. Oga yo.
Sorry, no verse.
They just call Alibaba bros, Alibaba.
And you know, say I call Alibaba, brother Alibaba. He say, father, I need brother. Father, I need brother.
No, but you know, say some situations there for this life, and you go see the person. But for you to just open mouth, say, I'll just see the guy, just say, yo. You gave me everything for my mouth.
Yeah.
Yes, that kind of thing.
But
If that's small boy, like Obi Martin, God, Obi Martin. He's a small boy. Which they enter this industry? Not be there for yesterday. Now you don't get money now. They so about that 10 yards.
You get money. You know what I mean? That's money for my birthday.
Obi, I thank God for your life, bro.
Come.
I don't want kiss. I know they the mood.
You want me kiss you?
I
I
know
make a punch.
Obi,
Want me kiss? Come on.
hey, stop.
Come.
That way you dey talk no pay me. Why you dey talk? You dey drop beer no dey.
With
See
him bottle
Obi
still.
Martin for sex, beer. See bros, beer. You know.
All right, my people. That's all they do for this late night show. Bros, no kind of can't talk too much. Just my family meets we dey do so. Yes, if you will say, you know, just they call, they watch us, you don't miss. Because we don't go far for the show.
Well.
But anyway, you meet us, if you see follow us, continue. Now, 195 on top start times for Wazobia TV, now we still do. Don't time to check time. We don't do cocoa of the day, now we enter people's parliament. And if you want to follow us converse for this discussion, go our Twitter at W Late Night Show. And go for our Facebook,
Wazobia TV NG.
And Instagram,
Wazobia TV NG.
Yes, now see me, Obi Martins. The foul picking where Eagle no carry one is more. Eagle no fit carry me again. Even Super Eagles try, they no go Nations Cup. Ghana try am, they no carry the cup.
No, then postpone Ghana. Ghana postpone their victory. As we postpone our own things.
Somebody won't do wedding
They come
on
postpone.
Valentine's Day.
My brother.
He can shift the wedding go 28.
Because of
Election. Now they don't shift the election now go 28.
he go shit, go bring and come back.
They don't want to do the wedding.
My brother.
And they
life
print
story.
Ivy.
True life story. Just for man.
Google one. Who like that?
Ma?
Even Google say, I guess you go ask Google, go say, did you mean?
Because even Google self no know what they write.
All right, now one swear for bros.
We want swear bros in.
One swear in.
Uh-huh.
To ask us some kind of questions. Yes, people don't tweet you, Abby. They talk between their own ask and they talk. When they waste time.
Okay,
All right.
plenty tweet already.
No, don't worry yourself. No, ask nothing if you do nothing.
Yes, but you know, say before we begin asking this question, we want to make sure, say, because anything we ask you today, we don't want make you give us bobo. Yes, we want, as we ask you, may you just talk the truth. And to make sure, say, this one happen as we want time. Obi Martin, yes, it go first swear you into the house. No worry, not just small thing.
Yes,
so, Obi, you know, we take it down.
I want a court of process that way and court warrant as well. Order, or else I'll charge you for contempt of court and jurisprudential link and decency.
Okay, I didn't hear you.
You put your hand up. Do camera. Now, anything I talk, you talk. I. You call your name. I call today.
You call your name.
Huh? I call your name.
I call your name.
No, Don't they confuse me now. As in I, Obi Martins, you can't call your own name. I,
Obi Martins. You can't call your name. Okay, yo. Carry go. Yo.
Agree say.
Anything
when they ask me for here today.
Anything when they ask.
That truth I go talk.
I go yarn the truth.
And nothing but the truth.
Nothing but
if
the
I
truth.
lie.
Waiting happen.
Talk now.
Waiting go happen. You not go tell me first before I go.
You want lie?
I go just jump.
You want lie? No, me argue for house. I go first.
Oh, see this one. I go just talk. Say if I lie. Say
order. I caught you like court.
Okay.
If I lie.
Yeah.
If I lie, make a naked bath.
If I lie, make a naked bath.
Now order. Now walk on constitution. Quote for fast.
Section
267A.
subsection
3.
of
now. You don't know. At the stammer. You know they talk of 1999 Constitution. It says, and I quote, as if I remember. At one point in time, when you go like that Olympic torch, how he beat on you? Which point? No lie, you. Say you bless man. Now the height be that, or no, we talk through.
For the say when I go light to Olympic.
When they first call you first.
Okay, when they first call me first. Say make I come go light. Say I go light to Olympic touch.
Yes.
Okay, when they call me first, say them pick me as one of those we go. I first think say na joke though, but later when they come tell me say na real, say na London organizing committee say make I come go light time, and then I just believe say for my mind that time say man say all the things say so na just the same pigeon thing, and they carry me reach this level. So now until I come travel go London, and the whole thing can't even funny because when they say make I submit my passport not even there with me at that moment. I don't remember which of the embassies it did. So it can't be like say the thing done they close. Entries they close. In bad sote, they talk say they need just 10 people from West Africa. They don't get the 10 because say I know answer them on time. But the guys then just the time say try. Go DHL the team. Whether we go get them. Whether we still fit do something about them. So now me be the 11th person. So I can't go DHL the team. Somewhere for Ikeja. As I send the team, the material to them, my details and all. As I send them the whole thing, the guys then can call me, say they don't drop another person, can replace them with me. So now still that 10 people for the whole of West Africa, where they can carry go. So when I reach there, we do all the things that we'll go do, stay for one hotel. Me, Funke Akindele, Banki W, Kanwankwo, Sasha. We stay for one hotel like that. It'd be like one old house. Built them how many centuries ago? You don't take all those London houses. Till the day we can go run the run, carry the touch. I run that day, I tire, Sha. I run, I tire. Because the gap when I supposed cover, I can't need to run past that particular gap. One person supposed be in between me and the next person.
Okay.
Yeah, but the person no can do. And I can be the last person we go run. And the lights no they off. The light must not off. So I need to reach one place, come past the light. They can't take the light, come put them inside one small lantern, come go give the next. But anyway,
okay. Now
I happy.
Nowadays, some people say you stingy, say you don't give money. Why?
Then work for me.
They listen to you now.
So because then they listen to me, I go to work out for main road, You they listen to me, take money. You they listen to me, take money. You they listen to me, take money. If I they give, how many people they watch? Okay, like now where you done the work here, where people they watch you. You know how many millions so they watch you? I beg they give them money if they come out. I take God beg you. As you just come out, they give everybody where they watch you money. They give them. That's the best thing for you. You know, people go just they open their buka cavity, just they yarn point. They're just the point. But talking na free.
Yeah, talk is cheap.
Talk the cheap. Na free thing. So just they talk. Now, people who don't get direct relationship with you, now then go if you talk who you be. You know, work for me, just expect, make I just call you, give you money. If you don't tire for that, your work, leave that work, come, they do my own. Now, so be my...
Simple as ABC.
Just simple as ABC. If your work tire, you leave and come do my own.
Okay.
You just keep ask you at time.
Okay. Yes, the
You
one
don't
that
marry.
be-
Now, you marry me.
No, Skippy say your picking. You don't bump picking.
Now, you give me picking. When she say my picking, I
couldn't
tell
hear.
her and say, when the picking want to speak pidgin. I not talk say, when my picking. I say, when the picking.
But you have this thing with you and waiting.
Aluwo. If I use and hit you now, you go to talk rubbish. Aluwo.
Alright, Skippy, make yourself.
Okay. Sharp. Make I sharply ask you this one. We come my mind because I discover say anywhere where we see you, whether not for event, outside, anywhere, you dey always dey on casual wears. Waiting happen, waiting suit and tie. Do you?
Na person wey get money dey wear suit and tie.
As in,
Just no verse. No verse. Because I say the line, I don't get respect.
no make you explain.
Na wetin na dey comfortable. Na people wey get money dey wear suit and tie.
Okay.
My dear,
So all the work
how
wey
many
you dey-
times, truly, how many times you don't see Dangote inside suit and tie? How many times you don't see
Otedola.
Otedola suit and tie?
I just come out. I mean,
How
the
many
couple.
times you don't see no be Dangote now, even Adenuga inside suit.
Okay.
But actually, me, I just like to be simple. Mostly, I like to be wear native things like this.
Okay.
And then t-shirt. But
Okay.
I don't get all that time, tie.
Okay.
That's stress. But when president say make we come, when they call 100 people, say 100 young Nigerians where they do well, we'll go meet Mr. President for Aso Rock. They say na strictly tie, suit and tie. But I get no option. Big ups to Ouch, because I no get option. I can't need to go meet Ouch and conclude me. Big ups to P-Prance too, then clothe me.
And big ups to me, I make you up.
Ignore them.
So big ups to those guys then, because now then just help me out for waiting I come where I come go. But I do wear once in a while.
Okay.
I dey wear
Okay.
once in a while.
Okay, sharp. Make I still throw away this one. Yes, at the end we want some people they talk and some time ago say because when you want to find this work we really make you popular. So say yes, that time when you come, now another person CV, now you copy, do copy and paste.
Make people know they talk like that. Now normal thing, except people won't lie. I know not many of them we sit down write on a CV from beginning to the end.
Okay.
Personally. Write name. You go get templates. Now what you know you they call them. You got to get template. You got to look this person in contact, right? Name, state of origin. You must know the order. If not, you for nobody.
Yes.
So and I do like every other person they do. I collect like that. Yes, even though say waiting na Larry Daily Abrahams, the guy go Unilag. Na in CV na I just take the same thing. Just change names. In go Unilag, I go Lasu. Age I change, name I change.
Don't forget to change one thing.
I no change aims and objectives. I no forget.
And in course,
I no change. No, I change. No, not same theater art.
Okay,
So I do theater art, but I no change aims and objectives. So when I come submit the CV for them. They can later call me back, make I come face panel. To start with, when I go face panel, I did reception. The first time when I go write CV, first time when I go look for work.
okay, plus what's happening? I'm going to talk this story finish. I'm going to go on small market now.
Okay.
All right, at the late night show, you see there on Top Star Times, channel 195 on that TV. And we sit there with our Bonga guest, our own boss, our own big boss, you know, the Pigeon website. We say, what they call yo. Yes, we won't go on music break now. If we come back, you go tell us, you go finish the story. No go anywhere. No change the remote. Easy bits. Carry us go this commercial break.
your body go. Yeah, yo, no be you are the check on no. But now you are one and no. Sissy Ferrari, oh. Yeah, yo, baby sweet, yeah. Baby nice, yeah. Baby do, all the quarter. Show me more taxi, malero boyaroni. Oti makode wapa, o afe mabuga seni. What you want? Baby koya what you want? Koya what you want? Baby koya what you want? No be you I want to buy, but now you I want to marry. See a body go, yeah, go away. No be you I dey give her yo, but now you I want to give my life to, baby oh. Baby sweet, yeah. Baby nice, yeah. Baby do, all the quarter. Show me more taxi, malero boyaroni. Oti makode wapa, o afe mabuga seni. What you want? Baby, koya what you want? Koya what you want? Baby, koya what you want? No be you I carry come girl, but now you I carry